Hey guys, it's Gamer Princess on her tablet this time. Today we are going to be playing an app called Floppy Bird. Floppy Bird, I've been playing a little, and let's get started. Okay, get ready. Let's see how good we can do. Dang it. Okay, let's try again. Come on, really? Just be careful. Dang it. Okay, we can do this. Hang in there. We got this. At least we got one. Okay, we got this. Keep on going. Come on. Three, dang it. Okay, we can do this now. Dang. Okay, guys, we got this. Floppy Bird is like a little better than Flappy Bird, but not so much. Flappy Bird is a very raging game. If I go silent, it's probably because I'm going on try hard mode. Okay. Okay, we got this. Good. Why won't it stop? Stop it. Stop it. It won't stop. Okay, it's so raging. Why won't it stop? Let's see if we can get past 5. I'm not gonna stop recording until it hits 5. Dang it. Hang in there, guys. I didn't even touch the thing. Okay, come on. We got this. Okay. We got this. Why? Why is it doing this to me? Okay, guys, we got this. I'm not gonna at least get 4. I'll stop recording when it says 4. I'm gonna literally throw my tablet across the room if it does not give me 4. I almost had 4, dang. Try hard mode. Go. Hey, we got 4. Okay, guys. That'll be all. I hope you had a good day. Put in the comments what app game you'd like me to play next. Okay, and I would just like to say thank you to all my fans. And this is like my 3rd video. Sorry, that was my sister. This is like my 3rd video, and I would just like to say, please hit that subscribe button so I can become an official YouTuber. That would be awesome. Thank you guys. Bye.